Hi, I'm Chef Mary, and I'm in the kitchen with Big Y. Today, we're grilling up quick and easy recipes like lemon oregano chicken breast, beef kebabs, and grilled Caesar salad for you and your family. Let's get grilling. The first step in this recipe, and any recipe you make, is to wash your hands and all the fresh produce you're going to be using. Grilled chicken is simple to prepare, but plain chicken can be a little boring. So I've whipped up a batch of lemon oregano marinade to add extra zip. This recipe includes white wine vinegar, lemon, garlic, and black and red pepper. You can learn more on bigY.com. Although you can get great flavor after about 4 hours of marinating time, I recommend marinating overnight for the best result. Zip-top food storage bags are convenient to marinate in, but be sure to place them on a plate or tray just in case the bag springs a leak. And one thing I really like to do is drizzle some marinade over my cooked dishes. But you should never use marinade that's been used with raw meat on cooked meat. So I'm gonna save a little bit of my homemade marinade on the side to use when I'm cooking the chicken. I'm pleasing the beef lovers in my house with pre-made kebabs from Big Y's Butcher Shop. The best part is these come pre-marinated with great steakhouse flavor to save you time. Now, if you want a lighter option and have no time to marinate your own chicken, Big Y also offers delicious Italian marinated chicken kebabs. I'll be preparing a grilled Caesar salad alongside the other grilled goodies today, and I know what you're thinking. Grilling lettuce? Trust me, it's absolutely delicious. I've cut heads of baby romaine into wedges, then I'll drizzle them with a little olive oil, and they'll be ready. Before I head outside, I want to make sure I have everything I need. My marinated chicken breast, beef kebabs, lettuce wedges, 2 pairs of tongs for each of the raw meats, one for chicken and one for beef, a clean pair for cooked food, an instant read food thermometer, my reserved lemon oregano marinade, and a tray for the cooked food. Okay, I think we are ready to hit the grill. Heat your grill to medium-high. Using tongs, transfer the kebabs and chicken to the grill. When grilling, you'll know when the meat is ready to flip when it naturally releases from the grate. But in general, flip the beef kebabs about every 2 minutes and the chicken breast after 5 minutes. Both items should take about the same amount of total time to cook, about 10 minutes. Cook beef to an internal cooking temperature of 145 degrees as indicated on the instant read thermometer. The chicken should be cooked to 165 degrees. Remove the fully cooked chicken and beef to a clean tray and drizzle the chicken with the reserved marinade. Place the lettuce wedges on the grill. Let each cut edge char for about 1 to 2 minutes per side. Take lettuce off the grill and add to the tray with the cooked chicken and beef. Now we're back in the kitchen with our char-grilled goodness. I've finished the grilled Caesar salad with a drizzle of Caesar dressing, a handful of croutons, and a dusting of grated Parmesan. And here we are with our chicken breast and beef kebabs served with smoky, crunchy grilled Caesar salad, all from Big Y and all perfect for a hot summer day. Thanks for cooking along with me. For these recipes and more, visit bigY.com.